I'm Dr. Kalyan Chakravarti, ENT consultant in KIMS Hospital. Would like to give an update on mucormycosis in post-COVID patients in Hyderabad. Mucormycosis is a serious but rare fungi infection caused by a group of molds called as mucormycetes, which live throughout environment in plants and trees. When these molds invade any human being, immunocompromised and uncontrolled diabetes, it causes grave complications. All COVID patients who are admitted have received steroid in some form or other to control their cytokine storm. When these patients get exposed to these fungi, it invades throughout the nose and spreads rapidly throughout the paranasal sinuses to the eye and finally brain within a few days. Initially, symptoms include stuffy dry nose, crusting of nose, which leads to nasal bleed, headache, facial pain, numbness of cheek, black spots or lesion in the nose or in the mouth, especially on the palate. If jawbone is involved, even loosening of teeth occurs. If left untreated, it spreads to eye, causing pain, swelling, loss of vision and finally to brain, causing death. Treatment includes antifungal therapy and aggressive surgical debridement. So, COVID patients with induced immunosuppression have to be closely monitored for signs of mucormycosis. To avoid getting this deadly infections, patients has to be careful for at least 5 to 6 weeks with proper nutrition and hydration. Even after they turn negative, they should monitor their blood sugar levels and control other risk factors. Wearing mask, maintaining hand hygiene and social distancing in crowded places is must in their recovery period to avoid getting exposed to this deadly infection. Despite of advances in treatment, higher mortality rate of 30 to 70% exists for this disease. So, it is very essential to report to ENT specialist as early as possible to avoid great complications. In last 2 months in our ENT department, we have seen around 15 patients suffering from mucormycosis, out of which I have personally dealt with 5 patients with timely surgical debridement and antifungal therapy. In view of increasing trend of mucormycosis in post-COVID high-risk patients, primary care physicians should also educate them about warning signs and refer them early to ENT specialists for timely management.